as you can see, I have sent these bulk WhatsApp messages to each my lead, and not only sending the bulk WhatsApp messages, but you can see this as personalized message because we have the name of the lead right over here in each message. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send personalized bulk messages. Personalized means that the name of the lead will be there in the message, and let's see how to create this. So now let's see how to create this amazing automation. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create this automation for free and send up to 100 of bulk personalized WhatsApp messages for free using Pabbly Connect. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move in further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you. You just have to choose your plan, go on this have a coupon button and simply apply this special coupon code, which is RITYT. Click on this apply button and you can get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect using this amazing discount coupon code. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Sheets because we want to send bulk messages using our Google Sheets only. So as you can see that this is the data of my own leads and I want to send them automated WhatsApp message, but it should be a personalized WhatsApp message. So for that, I'm just going to connect this Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. For the event, I'm just going to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row. Click on this connect. We have received this webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL, open your spreadsheet, go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to search for the extension right over here, which is Pabbly Connect webhook. So search for it and you have to make sure to install this extension over here. I've already installed this extension. You're going to get the install button. Just click on this and you can install this extension. After you install this extension, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet. It is a very crucial step, otherwise you'll not be able to view the option of this Pabbly Connect webhooks in your extensions tab. Once you view this Pabbly Connect webhooks option, go on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and then towards this initial setup, it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So just paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter your trigger column. So for me, the trigger column is D because I want to send these 4 details towards my workflow. So that's the reason I've kept this trigger column as D, but for you it can be anything else too. The trigger column will be your final data column on which if you add the data, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So if you want to send 4 details, you can keep it as D. If you want to send 3 details, your trigger column will be C. If you want to send 5 details, it will be E, and so on. After you enter the webhook URL and the trigger column, you just have to click on the submit button and it is going to say setup configured successfully. This means that we've created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just click on this send test button right over here. Once you click on this send test button, it is saying test data sent successfully. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. This is the test data which is the proof of our successful connection. Pabbly has sent this first row towards our workflow. Okay, so as you can see that we have successfully captured this first row response right over here, and we're going to create this automation using these details only first, and then we're going to learn how to send the bulk messages. For that, you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to make sure to select the application using which you want to send automated WhatsApp messages. So there are many applications like WhatsApp Cloud API, AI Sensei, Wati, Pabbly Chatflow, and many more. So Pabbly supports all of them. You just have to search for the application right over here and select the same in order to send automated WhatsApp messages. I am just going to use Pabbly Chatflow, so I'm just going to search for Pabbly Chatflow right over here and then select Pabbly Chatflow in order to send these automated WhatsApp messages. For the event, I'm just going to select it as send text message and click on this connect. Now if you've already already created a connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, then you have to click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and it's asking for the token. So to get this token, just open your Pabbly Chatflow account. It is going to redirect you towards the all Pabbly apps. Over here, go on this Pabbly Chatflow and click on this access now. And once you click on this access, now you're going to see your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow will open. Now you have to make sure that you've added a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't added it, go on this add WhatsApp number button and add your WhatsApp number. Apart from that, we have a specific video tutorial attached right over here on your screen. You can see this video and learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. It is a very detailed video, and by the end of this video, you can learn how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And after you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, I'll just let you know one more hack. This discount coupon code is not only for Pabbly Connect but also for Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow, this discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow too. But try Pabbly Chatflow because you're going to get a free trial of Chatflow too. Try it. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Now we have to get this API key. So for that, from the left hand of the side, go on the settings and then towards this API and webhooks, and then we're going to find this API token. So you just have to copy this API key and paste it right over here in your workflow. Click on the save and your Pabbly Chatflow account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this amazing connection, you just have to enter your WhatsApp mobile number right over here on which you want to send this automated WhatsApp message. So we have this WhatsApp mobile number of our lead to whom we want to send this personalized bulk WhatsApp messages. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter the same. But always a hack that you don't have to enter this WhatsApp mobile number manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So I've mapped this WhatsApp mobile number because I want to change this with every new response received. Okay, now it is asking me for the WhatsApp message. So I'm just going to copy the WhatsApp message from my previous workflow and paste it right over here. If you also want the same WhatsApp message, you're going to find the URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and get the amazing WhatsApp message from there. So I'm just going to simply first of all correct the formatting of this message. So meanwhile, I'm just correcting the formatting of this WhatsApp message. I'll just let you know that over here, if you want to bold some text in your WhatsApp message, you can simply add the stars in the front and in the end of the text which you want to bold. Like I want to bold this name, so I've added the stars over here. And over here, now we're just going to map the name because we want to send personalized bulk WhatsApp messages, right? So just put a slash, simply map the name of your lead or of your customer over here. And like this, you can send personalized bulk WhatsApp messages. Now our WhatsApp message is completed. Now it is asking me for many other details. So all of these details are not required. If you wish, you can definitely fill it out. Otherwise, leave it as blank. Switch on this keys button, delete whatever is written right over here and click on this save and send test request button. But over here, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received, and then click on the save and send test request. You don't have to replace the number if you have a real number already added. Okay, now you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this message. So let's just open our WhatsApp, and yes, this message is sent to test user. But I didn't only wanted to send a single WhatsApp message, but I wanted to send bulk personalized WhatsApp messages. So for that, you have to go on this extensions Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on this send all data. Now all of this data will be sent towards your workflow which you have created right now, and then automated WhatsApp message will be sent to each lead details you have in this sheet. Okay, so let me open my WhatsApp, and you're going to see automated WhatsApp message is sent to each lead right over here. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we have created right now. Only you're going to see the name is changed because this is a personalized WhatsApp message, and yes, rest the details are exactly the same. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Over here, I'll let you know one more hack, that if you want that whenever you add the new lead details, automated WhatsApp message should be sent towards them too, then go on this extensions Pabbly Connect webhooks and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. So with this, we have successfully learned how to send personalized bulk messages automatically. So go and try this yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. If you have any queries, you can drop them in the comment section below, and my team is definitely going to help you out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.